Hey everyone, my name is Mr. House and welcome to my education channel. I am so excited to announce I've written my very first children's book. It's called My Teacher Was in a Rock Band, and I want to share it with you. This book focuses on being aware of our own feelings and emotions and finding healthy ways to navigate those. You can pre-order this book today. Visit MrHouseEducation.com and click on the shop link at the bottom. This is a pre-order, so the first 50 copies will get a signed copy, and these books will be shipping in August. I hope you enjoy it. Hey everybody, today we're going to count to 110 by 5's and 10's. We're going to move our bodies too, so I want you to do what I do. I can count by 5's and I can count by 10's. I can count all the way up to 110. I can count by 5's and I can count by 10's. We're going to start by counting to 5's. Jump side to side. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Repeat. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. I can count by 5's and I can count by 10's. I can count all the way up to 110. I can count by 5's and I can count by 10's. This time we're gonna jump forwards and backwards. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. Repeat. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. I can count by 5's and I can count by 10's. I can count all the way up to 110. We're gonna move to counting by 10's. I want you to bring your toes up and touch your hands. Make sure you've got plenty of room. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. I can count by 5's and I can count by 10's. I can count all the way up to 110. I can count by 5's and I can count by 10's. I can count all the way up to 110. You just counted to 110 by 5's and 10's. Congratulations. You're awesome. By the way, some of you said you saw my llama. I think you're crazy. I've looked everywhere. I still can't find him. I'm about to give up.